Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we will add two polynomials. Okay. So suppose you have this question that add the polynomial 5x3 plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 5 with 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 4. So for that, let's begin with the very first polynomial. Okay. Write it here. 5x power 3 plus 7x power 2 minus 4x plus 5. Then, since you have to add, write down the second polynomial. Make sure when you are writing the second polynomial, the x cube term should come below x cube. The term of x power 2 should come below x power 2. The x term come below x and the constant comes below the constant. So, first term is 2x power 3 below this minus 3x power 2 plus x and then minus 4. Now we have to add that. So what we can see here is their terms x power 3, x power 3. So we will now see, we will write here x power 3 and we will see what will be the coefficient here. So what we have to do 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, how much it is? 7. So the coefficient of x power 3 becomes 7. Working in the same way, x power 2, x power 2. So write here x power 2. Remember, you don't have to add or subtract these x power 2. It is only one time x power 2. Okay, and then working on the coefficient, what you have here? Plus 7 plus minus means minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. So you write here 4 with the sign of bigger number, which is 7. So it is plus 4. Okay. Working in the same way for x, we note down here x. What we have here? We have here minus 4 and plus, it's only x means the coefficient is 1. So you have minus 4 plus 1. So what you see signs over here, negative, positive. So whenever it is negative, positive, you always subtract. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Then you keep the sign of bigger number, which is 4. So it is minus 3. Okay. And for the last term, it is plus 5 minus 4. So it is 5 plus minus. So again, you subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And the sign of bigger number, which is 5, is positive. So you get your answer as plus 1. So the addition of these two polynomials, that is your answer, will be 7x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, let's take another example. So here again you have to add two polynomials. Start with the first one. X power 4 plus 3x power 2 minus x minus 5. So you have to add, so write plus. Now working in the same way as we did in the previous one, writing the coefficient of x power 4 below x power 4, x power 2 below x power 2 and x below x and constant below constant. Now if we look at here in the first term, we have x power 3 and we don't have any coefficient of x power 3. So in this case, we have to write it separately. We write here 2x power 3. Okay, then look at x power 2. We have x power 2. So we write it below this term. So it will be 2 times x power 2. Note that there is no term below x power 4 because we don't have any term here. Okay, and then with x you have 5x, so plus 5x and then minus 4. Now let's add it. If you look at it here, there is no term above 2x power 3. So it's like 0. So in this case, we copy down the same term here. So it will be 2x power 3. Now, x power 4, there is no sign. It means it's plus. And again, there is no term means it's 0 here. So you just copy it down same. So it gives you plus x power 4. Now here we have x power 2 in two terms. So yes, we combine them together. First we write down here x power 2. And then we work with numbers. Plus 3 plus 2. So plus 3 plus 2. Both are plus plus. So you add the numbers. So you get plus 5 because the sign of bigger number 3 is plus. Okay. Now here you have x. So copy down this x term. What you get here? X. Now we work with the coefficient. Here it is minus x. It means minus 1x. So you have the number minus 1 here and plus plus, that is plus 5. So it's minus plus, it means you subtract. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and sign of the bigger number is positive. So you have positive of 4x. Now working on the last term, you have minus 5 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4. Both signs are minus. It means in this case you are going to add the numbers. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Sign of the bigger number which is negative. So you get minus 9. Hence your answer for this polynomial is 2x cubed plus x power 4 plus 5x squared plus 4x minus 9. If you want to convert it into the standard form, what you can do, write the highest power term first, like x power 4 plus 2x power 3 plus 5x power 2 plus 4x minus 9. Okay, but this answer is also correct. Let's take one more example. So here again following the same way we start. 3x power 2 minus 2x plus 1. We note down the first polynomial. Second one, we have 2x power 3. There is no x power 3 here. So we write it separately. Then for x power 2, we have term here. So it is minus x power 2 plus 5x minus 3. And then we add them. For x power 3, there is no term. So we just copy it same. We do have terms in both the polynomial for x power 2. So we write first here x power 2. Then we work on the coefficient. It is 3. No sign means it's positive. So plus 3 minus 1. Plus minus is minus. So 3 minus 1, 2. Sign of the bigger plus 2. Similarly, working on the terms of x, then the numbers here minus 2 plus 1. So what you get? 3, because it's plus minus, you will be subtracting. 5 minus 2 is 3. Sign of the bigger number is plus. So plus 3x. And the last term, 1 minus 3. So it gives you minus 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. And sign of bigger number, which is 3. So this gives you the answer as 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay.